This is the last week of submissions, so I'm just working on my concluding drawings and grinding really hard. So here's a tech design module introduction, which will be a prominent module in term 2. This is just an introduction lecture where past students show their work and I'm just doing my work while listening to it. And this is me during lunchtime also listening to it. So this is our last history seminar where we looked at China's Belt and Road Initiative, and at the same time our tutor also gave us some advice on essay writing. And listening to this at the same time, again, I'm just doing work for my design project, rushing for the submission. So today was quite busy because we had history seminar this morning, went through some methodologies for writing our dissertation, and then I spent the rest of the afternoon just doing my drawing. But it wasn't really a good day because I felt kind of stuck moving to my final iteration for my concluding drawing. So I just decided to take the evening off early. I'm leaving here at 5. So hopefully I feel a bit more refreshed tomorrow to work on the drawing. But yeah, grab my gloves because it's really cold this week. Today's a bit warmer, but it's still cold. So I just spent 1.5 hours in the kitchen and meal prepped my meals for like the next 2 to 3 days. So that's good. So I can go to sleep now. So I just ran up and down the staircase so many times because it's so cold in the studio, at least for me. It's so cold. I already sent 3 emails to 3 different emails complaining about how cold the studio is. But I just hope it gets resolved soon because I'm so cold. This is the glamorous life of a Bartlett student. I'm scanning a tiny drawing and I just want to say how nice it is to scan a small drawing, not a large one. So here we go. I did something different for Thursday morning, so instead of following my daily gym routine, I actually stayed home that morning and did a 20-minute meditation, which really helped calm my nerves. And then I spent the morning just editing the film and exporting it. And this was really different because normally I would follow my kind of rigor morning routine, but that day I just wanted to calm down because of some feelings I was feeling, which I'll explain later. Hi everyone. Right now I just have a bit of chill time because right now I'm just a bit free because my video is encoding and it's gonna take a long time to encode. But since I have a bit of free time, I just wanted to do a bit of a check-in with you guys and also myself. So today's actually the one day in the week that I didn't follow my normal morning schedule. I didn't go to the gym. I didn't go to the gym because my muscles are kind of hurting from the last previous days of like lifting weights. So I'm taking a rest day and going back tomorrow. And I didn't go into studio this morning because I just wanted to work on the video and just create a bit of difference in my day. I don't know, I just felt like doing that. And a bit of a check-in is that last week was actually really busy, but this week it's a bit weird because it's the last week and I feel like I'm supposed to be constantly busy and doing work because that's what everyone in the studio is doing. Everyone's staying until like 10 and my friend Yen Shan staying in the student center until midnight to like work on her stuff. And for some reason this week I'm just not as busy as last week. I've been leaving the studio quite early, to be honest. I think also because of the stuff I'm doing this week that I'm just finishing a lot earlier than I expected, and that makes me very confused because I always feel like I should constantly be working and really busy, but when I'm not, I feel really weird, especially also on Sunday when my video was encoding again and I had this chunk of free time. I just didn't know what to do anymore. I was like, well, what am I supposed to do with my life now? And that was sort of like a huge revelation to me, where if I'm not doing the schoolwork, I feel so lost and I don't know what to do with my life. And I just felt like that's not great, and I feel like I should be finding things to do.
which is not great because I feel like I should be able to relax and chill at my downtime when I don't have work. But lately I've just been really struggling with that, and I feel like I really need to find things to slot into my free time, and I can't just enjoy the free time as it is. So I'm just trying to work really hard to kind of like enjoy the time of not having stuff to do. For example, now my videos and coding, and I can't do anything to the project right now. And just to like show the fact that, like, I guess for Bartlett students, I don't know if it's just me, but if I don't have anything to do and I don't feel as busy, I feel very like anxious or confused that I don't have stuff to do. So that's just a thing that I realize. I have to constantly fill things up. Like I have to write in my planner, I have to sketch, I have to listen to audiobooks, I have to do something productive just to make myself feel less guilty of not doing anything. Like I feel like every single moment needs to be filled with stuff. So yeah, right now I'm just trying to be more chill, which is exactly why I meditated for 20-ish minutes, almost 30 this morning, because I wanted to just like clear my head and just be okay with doing nothing. But yeah, that's how I feel this week. I just find it weird whenever everyone's so busy and like rushing. I don't have as much stuff to do, and that makes me weird. Like, it's not really a flex. I'm like, is it because of my time management skills? I don't know, but that's just how I'm feeling right now. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for this video to encode. As you can see, it's still encoding.
After my slow morning, I just headed into studio and edited my portfolio. We also have to do this thing called project statement, where it's basically an A4 PDF and you have to explain your project in around 200 to 300 words. So I'm just typing up my thing and putting it in InDesign.
Hello, so I'm going home now. Today I actually talked to a few of my friends, Yen Shan, Joy, and then looked through their portfolios, gave them some feedback, and then we just talked about our projects and stuff and things that are stressing us out and our feelings. So it was quite a nice day. It was, I guess, more relaxed. The PDF export took way longer than I expected, but you know, it was still a good day. I'm gonna head home now and practice my presentation for tomorrow, since it's gonna be on Zoom, and I really hate that. The tutorial is gonna be on Zoom as per here. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare for that. Now I'm gonna head home. Good morning, everyone. So right now I'm heading to studio. So today is a bit earlier because I actually went to gym this morning with Nicole. Came back a bit early because this morning we have to showcase our physical work to the other paired unit that we're with, to the tutors there, Stefan and Jane, unit 6. So I'm gonna just have to like pin up the drawing on the wall, and Chris is also gonna show his sculptures and his installation space for them to see. Basically it's like showing the scale, since the presentation is going to be over Zoom, so it'll be nice to show them in person, like just how big and small the things are. And then later on I think we'll just hop on to tutorials, which is going to be on Zoom today, and do a practice run for our presentations for our project 1. So see you then. Hello everyone, it's the end of the day. I'm gonna head home soon, but I just wanted to say today was kind of a good day. I kind of sat through everyone else's tutorials, so it was nice to look through everyone's work. And I think I just have to tighten up the portfolio and do a film catalog, and that's all I have to do for the weekend. It's a bit weird because I don't have stuff to do, which is a bit weird because everyone is gonna like rush over the weekend and submit on Monday morning. But I think my progress has been good, so I should be happy, and I should kind of like do a mini celebration for myself. And yeah, that's the day.
So on Saturday, I started my morning with just doing a final piecing of my portfolio and then exporting my film, and then it's essentially ready, and I just did some errands like my laundry.
So I have this package, which is basically a Santa costume because Dan wanted us all to be Santas for Christmas.
So I just have to package.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What is this beard help? Oh my.
Great. Let's try this. My god. Okay, let's try it.
This is my lunch with some chickpea flour scramble and some asparagus. Let's eat. Final export.
So I just came out from Lidl to do my grocery shopping, and today, because I basically kind of finished my portfolio and film yesterday, so actually don't have much to do today. I guess thanks to my time management. But oh, by the way, I got this new scarf thing. It's really cute. It's like a tube scarf. I really like it, and this black beanie. But yeah, so I think after lunch I'm gonna go into studio because my friend Yen Shan's gonna be there, and I just wanna, you know, spend some time with her and kind of help her with her portfolio probably. And also my friend's installation is set up, so I want to see what it's like for them at the Bartlett, so I can just do some history stuff, presentation, since it's 2 weeks from now, do it in the Bartlett, and then yeah, just do some work there. This morning I actually submitted some of my drawing competitions, so that's pretty nice. Yeah.
So on Sunday, since I completed most of my submission stuff already, I came into studio to help my friend set up his installation, and at the same time I also did my history, writing support lecture, and spent some time with my friends as well.
You know, I've never used the student center before.
Before
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Huh?
I never even opened that gate.
Ever?
No. This is my first time. Yeah.
So today I just came back from gym, I'm eating my breakfast, and then I'm gonna submit now.
So